Hey guys, Tony Redfish Gaskin here at Dorchester Shooting Preserve this morning. Doing something a little different. I'm here with my friend Adam Hines. He is with On Fly Outfitters. And today we'll be hunting with...
We're going to hunt with 3 or 4 different species of hawks and falcons. And we're going to, I guess, go out for a little morning hunt, catch some pheasants and some quail and squirrels, if the weather holds off for us.
So normally we hunt with dogs here,
Sure.
So this is going to be a new twist on a hunt.
Right.
Letting your birds do what?
Well, we'll still run the dogs too. So
Okay.
I've trained beachless specifically. So we'll get the dog out just like running a quail hunt here. Get the dog on point, and I will be able to pursue the quail, pheasants, very similar to how you guys do with guns. We're not going to kill as many nearly, but we will pursue in a very unique and different way.
So it's actually, we'll actually include the dog in it, and
Sure.
you're doing more like a retriever.
More or less. So us as humans, we're kind of bystanders, and we've got a privileged point of view to watch the hawks and the falcons catch and kill things like they would naturally in the wild. And so for us, our job is to, with the pointing dog on hold, is to flush the bird for the hawk and the falcon, and we get to kind of watch it all unfold in front of us. It's kind of drama in the woods.
So it's going to be an exciting morning, and we're going to follow through and cover some action in the field, so stay tuned. Hey guys, Tony Redfish Gaskin here in Claxton. I have come and visited Durance Lane Chevrolet. Guys, you would not believe the inventory they have here. Look at this truck. These trucks are sick. Jacked up, big tires, custom rims. This has even got a fuel tank in the back of it, so I guess that's geared toward a farmer. But this is my style. Big jacked up 4-wheel drive. That's how we roll on 35s. So hey guys, come see them at Durance Lane Chevrolet. They have got an impressive lineup of trucks, cars, SUVs. They've got a Suburban that's got 35s on it that's jacked up, and I have rubbed all over that truck over there. So you need to come down here and see them, guys. For now, Tony Redfish Gaskin. We out. Guys, we're in the field here with Adam. Adam, tell us exactly what we're fixing to do on this first leg, what we're looking to accomplish, and the process of what we're going to do.
Right, yeah. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to let the dog out. Pointing dogs here at Dorchester are really good at finding quail and pheasants. We're going to hopefully find a pheasant or two out here and release a male Harris hawk. Males are typically a third of the size smaller than females in birds of prey as a whole. And this smaller, much quicker, a little more agile hawk, we'll let him go and he'll fly up into the trees and he'll actually follow the dog as he's coursing back and forth. And as soon as the dog lines up a point, we're going to come in and flush the pheasant for the hawk. And there you should kind of, in theory, if everything goes right, we'll watch a mid-collision catch from the hawk leaving the tree, probably 40, 50 feet up. Watch it catch it right here in front of us, which should be pretty cool.
Awesome. So stay tuned, guys. We're fixing to get in the field and make things happen.
Away line of sight. They say the falcon's about 5 miles. Scenario why we need the dog, because the hawk's going to fly over. As soon as the hawk flies over, the ground quarry is going to pin. It's not going to move. It's going to use camouflage as its first line of defense. Its second line of defense for these upland games is that explosive speed, and their hope is that they burn them on that initial chase, they get back down, and then you reuse option one. They use that camouflage. So a lot of times when we're hunting out in the wild, and they'll watch it, and then they'll either land on the ground or land in a tree very, very close to where they just lost, you know, the quarry. Bring the dog back in on that reflush, it's almost 99% chance they're going to catch it on that second time. Where you'll see with this first bird that we're going to fly, he's about, I think he's 16, 18 years old, somewhere around there. He's done this with enough repetition that naturally these birds will follow us, but he'll actually get out ahead of us and follow the dog because he knows the dog's what's going to, you know, produce the flush and produce the quarry. So that's interesting to see. When we're squirrel hunting, the same type of bird, more or less, will follow us behind us, waiting for us in the commotion that we create to flush a squirrel or a rabbit or anything else. So typically what we do, or the rule of thumb in falconry, is hawk's hair, falcon's feather. So the hawk's hair, they're built to catch ground quarry, not necessarily as fast or as quick as some of the falcons. But we're going to break that rule with this guy. And this hawk needs that advantage of height. So you see he's already, you know, he landed in this smaller oak. Now he's probably 60 feet up in a pine. And so the higher he can get, the better chance he's going to have at catching a quail or a pheasant on the flush. Oop.
He's right. He's got to be right on there.
The accipiter class, we have Cooper's hawks here, probably the most common bird and probably the one that quail hunters like the least, because they're the ones that can take out your quail without hesitation. Everything I'm seeing right now, guys, looks really good. Does get too close, the hawk will back him down. So this type of bird we actually hunt ducks and pheasants with. We're out in the middle of the country, we'll hunt creeks, you know, on the backside of ponds and stuff, to where if you can sneak up on a small creek and you got a couple ducks, that quickness, a duck trying to get vertically, especially your dabbling ducks trying to get vertically off the water, they'll catch them and ride them to the other side of the bank just as quickly as you guys just saw.
We have some quail just right down here if you want to try it.
No, I'm not getting all my this, but I say we just go ahead and walk into the woods where we think we're going to find them, so I'll let her go.
I don't have a clue, but
So we're gonna get this bird to land on my hand.
Oh crap.
There you have it, folks. Dorchester Shooting Preserve.
so this takes a little more getting ready.
Yeah, the peregrine falcon, we gotta cover all our bases, because actually the word peregrine means to wander, and So the falcon actually is probably one of the most wide-ranging birds in the world and can cover a great deal of distance very, very quickly. So I've put 2 different tracking devices on it. One is GPS, to where in real time it'll tell me how fast the bird's flying, how high he is, the temperature, stuff that we really don't need to know. But in case things go wrong, I can go right to the bird as fast as possible and get the bird back and make sure the bird's safe. So it's a pretty cool tool to use, you know, when flying the fastest animal on the planet.
Sweet, let's do it.
All right. Here. Let's go. Probably 100 feet real quick, but if not, because I'm probably gonna cap it.
All right, guys, so we've been here at Dorchester Shooting Preserve with Adam, and we have illustrated a couple of birds doing what they're supposed to do, catching pheasant.
Caught a couple pheasants. Didn't catch a squirrel. They outsmarted us, but you know, we gave it a good go, good solid effort.
What a great trip to come down and see how these birds work and what it has to do with what we do here at Dorchester with the quail hunting and pheasant hunting.